What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is bright and early today. We are at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio. America's roller coaster. We're so pumped to be here. 7:30 in the morning, and we're going on a roller coaster tour. Excited?
Yes.
She's got her caffeine, excited. So she's getting fired up, but not too sure what to expect today. I know we're going up to the top of Valraven for some pictures and a lift walk. There's some breakfast, and we'll be doing first rides on a couple of the coasters, but we're kind of just along for the ride today, and we're excited. So why don't you guys come along and check it out with us. So we're heading down the boardwalk because we're actually staying at Hotel Breakers just here on the peninsula, which I highly recommend if you've never stayed at the Breakers. It's right in the middle of the action. You get early entry, and you get pretty much your own private entrance to the park at the Magnum Gate. But we're heading to the front of the park here to meet up with our tour group. It starts at 7:30. Like I said, I think we're going straight up Valraven. They have some breakfast planned for us after that, and hopefully get some rides on some coasters and kind of tour some backstage areas behind the scenes. You can book this tour online. It was about $200 a person, and I think there's some other nice perks with it. It comes with fun picks and like a meal voucher. Like I said, breakfast is included. We get a crap ton of pictures, and we're stoked. We're heading to the front gate right now. Heading in. It's so cool to be here. See all the action before the park opens. This is so cool. That's where we ate last night. Hugo's, pretty tasty. Wow, look at all this work they're doing here. Crazy. So like I mentioned, we're staying at the Breakers. We actually came into the park for like 4 hours yesterday. We got into town around 6 o'clock, and the park's open until 10 nightly the week we're here. So we're able to get on a couple rides. We actually did the last ride of the night on Millennium Forest, which was so epic. I got some footage from that I'll try and throw in here. Yeah, I guess we're heading to Valraven right now to climb the lift and get some epic views. Let's do it. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. 70 degrees, should be sunny all day, mostly sunny. Valraven. We are about to be heading up that thing. There's a little bucket over here that shoots up the side of the lift hill. We'll be strapped in, of course, we'll have harnesses, but we're gonna be walking to the very edge of the lift hill, getting some awesome sunrise pictures, just some epic views of the park, and hopefully first ride of the day on Valraven. I think they're gonna take us in the maintenance shed as well, so this should be super cool. Can't tell, we're excited. All right, I'm getting our harnesses. This is real. Oh man, there's the funicular. We're heading up. What? This is bonkers. What? Cool. Wow, but this view doesn't get old.
Seriously, it's crazy.
No, it's... We're up here. And back down. Crazy. Heading in the maintenance building for Valraven. All right, that was cool. Just went under the station in Valraven. No, I can't film back here. Back on the Midway. Olivia had to pee. Super cool out here. Getting fired up. It's 8:32, hour and a half till park opens, but early entry starts at 9, so they're getting Gatekeeper, Valraven, I believe Millennium Force, and some other rides fired up here towards the front of the park. Heading back under Valraven, probably into the transfer area, train storage. All right, we're back. Just looked at the storage and transfer area for Valraven. I think we might be getting on, hopefully. Oh, we're going into the maintenance area here. All right, saw the maintenance area, got a whole wheel. Pretty cool. We did something similar on Griffin. We actually did an insider roller coaster tour at Busch Gardens that, I don't know, we're doing kind of some of the same stuff. So I'll link that video down below, but no train in the transfer track. They're all on the coaster right now, and I might be heading up to ride. I keep saying that. I'm not really sure what the schedule is here. Heading up the exit.
So someone has to be standing on this pressure plate in order for the ride to be able to take off. Our exit pressure plates are the opposite. There has to be no pressure on them in order to take train takeoff. That will be seen on like.
This shows not the layout of the ride and all the different block zones.
Oh boy. Wow. On the infield of Valraven right now. Look at this. Crazy. Obviously the coaster's not running, but epic views. All right, we're heading to breakfast. We just did the infield walk at Valraven, got some sweet footy over there. I'll try not to bore you guys and put too much, but the park's open for early entry at least, 9:22, so resort guests and pass holders only in here. And like I said, I think they only have Gatekeeper, Millie, a couple, handful of rides open right now, but we're going to eat. Coming into the boardwalk. This Wild Mouse is supposed to be running, but it looks like it might be down this morning for maintenance, some sort of issue. Awesome over here though. Look at the people standing in front of Wild Mouse. 20, 30 people. Not great. How can they not get a Wild Mouse open? Looks like they're cleaning or something, but it's gotta be maintenance related. It looks really good though. I love what they've done here. Heading in the new Grand Pavilion, well, new to us at least, for some breakfast. We got a little voucher. This Gatekeeper on early entry looks busy. Up on the second floor here, look at the roller coaster bar. This is so sweet. Have to check out the balcony a little bit. All right, get in line for breakfast. Here's breakfast options. Honey chicken biscuit and ham, egg, and cheese. I'm unbelievably bad at documenting our food because we always just eat it as soon as I get it, but chicken biscuit was amazing, and Olivia really likes her ham, egg, and cheese too. Yeah, and we're waiting. Guys hooking us up with mimosas, but yeah, definitely come check out breakfast over here. I would, even if it's not free, I would definitely come back and pay for this. This was good. I wonder how often the participants on the coaster tour engage in mimosas, but there are no rules really. All right, we're over at Millie. Finish up our mimosas. Wild. Maverick. Of course, it's broken, so I don't think we'll ride, but we'll see what happens. That's where the fabled Heartline roll used to be. God, wish she was running. Awesome angle of the drop. Ginormous coaster cutout. Man, what was that dude's name? Forgot his Reddit username. He's the one that does the design work for nano coasters for Coaster Dynamics. Another perk of the tour, all-day fun picks. It's pretty cool. Never done this at Cedar Fair, so we'll try it out. This line for Maverick, crazy. Goes all the way to the gift shop. All right, we're heading to Steve. Thank God it's running. 2 trains, I think, but we're walking up the exit. Straight on. Let's go. Let's go. We here.
If you come up to me or my friend Ismet with...
Yeah. All right, heading up the exit. Looks like it's about to rain too, so hopefully we get on this thing. Steven, how was that?
So good.
You're like row 5 or 6 maybe?
Towards the back, but not all the way to the back.
Epic. Jury's still out if it's better than Iron Gwazi.
I've never ridden Iron Gwazi, so
Yeah. I'm still not sure. Infield of Steven. Pretty sweet. Look at this. Crazy. There's a haunted house, haunted maze over here, and a bunch of other random crap kind of in a boneyard. Pretty sweet though. She's back up. There we go.
And then take carefully to your right.
All right, we just got off Maverick, did another tour of the infield with the coaster running, and I think we're headed to the Maverick gate, or I'm sorry, the Magnum gate to wrap up the tour here. All right, that does it for our Sunrise Thrills coaster tour here at Cedar Point. It was excellent.
Yeah, it was really good.
Well worth the money. I think I said it was around, what did I say?
$200.
Around $200 a person, but it came with a lot of stuff. Obviously, we're staying on site here, so we didn't use the preferred parking that was included, but breakfast, the fun picks, like we said, they each gave us 2 fast line passes on the way out as well. So we have 4 total. Yeah, definitely way worth it. If you're a roller coaster nerd, obviously seeing the maintenance areas and the load area. We saw the controls for Valraven. That was really awesome. Breakfast was great. And then, of course, getting on Steel Vengeance, Maverick, going in the infield for those. Crazy. You got so many good photos and videos.
In the park when it's not open. So
Yeah.
Nobody, like the pictures, there's nobody in your pictures, which is really nice.
Yeah, super unique experience. So if you're roller coaster fan if you got a couple days to be here. The other thing is you don't have to have a park ticket to go on the tour, so you could do it your last day of your trip while you're, the day you're leaving basically, and you don't have to pay for a park entrance ticket that day. So kind of cool, but I think that's gonna do it for our video today. We're gonna go back and relax and probably do a couple more hours in the park later on, but thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know if you guys have any questions about this tour. We'll try and do our best to answer, but again, highly recommend. I think that's it for us today though. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.
Bye.